and welcome back to our channel. Today is our last day of 7 days of eyeshadow challenge, and I have saved the best look for last. It's my most excited look that I'm going to be filming, and it's the most excited look you guys have requested in that mood board that I posted on our Instagram, showing you guys all the looks that I wanted to create using the new Athr Beauty Moonlight Crystal palette. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys the picture of today's inspo look, so you might find it familiar if it's seen on our Instagram. So this look features kind of like a cascade type smoky eye with a really gorgeous electric blue type of shift to the liner, and then a pink and blue combination of glitter on the top of the lid. We're going to be using lots of layering today to create this look, and let's go ahead and get started so that you can create this look on yourself when you're feeling sassy. So first things first, I'm going to prep the eyelid and get it super ready for all these shadows that we're going to be using today. So I'm going to start by using the transition shade from the Joshua Tree palette. And like I do in a lot of my videos, I'm using this as my transition color just to have a really nice base before we add any additional colors on the lid and on the crease area. Next, I'm gonna thumb through between two colors. It's kind of like this rustic red right here, and then this tumbleweed brown. And I'm gonna start by carving out the crease in this. And I am gonna take this pretty high, as you're gonna see, just to really have a really fun base. This is really gorgeous. I can already tell this is probably gonna be my favorite look that I've recreated. Then just to pop a little bit of depth into the eye color, I'm gonna go in with this matte chocolate. And it actually does have a bit of a purple hue to it. And I'm gonna pop this on the very outer part of my eye, just to add a little bit of depth. And then we are going to blend it. I'm gonna give my lower lash line some love, and I'm gonna thumb through between all the colors and pop it right on that lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take my liquid liner, and I'm going to add a little bit of a wing. Next, I'm gonna take a liner brush, and I'm going to give it a really good spritz down, and this is where we're gonna start layering and layering and layering the glitter shimmer shades. So we're gonna start with this really fun electric blue glittery shade that's in this palette. And I'm gonna start by going over the liner. So you can tell it's already shifting to that really pretty blue. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna pop that blue right on the lower lash line as well, but I'm only gonna do it right here in this inner fourth of the eye. I'm gonna line my lower lash line with black. Next, on a small dome brush, I'm gonna wet down, and I'm gonna go in with this icy pink shade that's in this palette, and I'm going to blend the glitter. Then I'm going to take that icy pink shade, and on my fingertips, I'm going to start adding that glitter into the inner part of my eye. And we're gonna layer it, so we're gonna add quite a bit. Then I'm gonna take a little dome brush, and I'm going to like smoke out this blue a little bit. Next, I'm gonna be using this eye gloss from Ritual Defeat, and it is a gorgeous, let me get some out of here. And I'm gonna be popping this right in. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this eye. It's so fun with the glitter blue, the ice blue, the lavender, the pink, the brown. It's just like such a fun, like unique, smoky eye. I love it. I hope that you guys had so much fun over the last 7 days, seeing all the fun and different looks that we've been creating. We've literally used every single shade from this palette over the last 7 days. And so it really shows you that Pops of color doesn't have to be scary. It can be super versatile, and it can just add like a little bit of spunk and pep to your step no matter what you're doing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to do another challenge with you guys later this year. If you're not, follow us on Instagram and Facebook and all that good stuff for extra content, or TikTok to see us more. I hope that you guys are having a clean beauty day out there, and we'll see you guys in our next tutorial.